What's up, guys? I'm Josh. This is Millennial Crypto Investing. Let's dive right into the Terra Luna Classic technicals and how I show you why the price is about to see a massive move to the upside. Stay tuned. Let's check it out. What's up, guys? Like I said, I'm Josh, and I want to jump right in to the technical analysis that we're looking at for the breakout of Terra Luna Classic. Over the last several days, we've had a massive sell-off, okay? And I know that some of us are underwater and some of us are about to give up hope, but I want to show you right here at this very moment, we are about to see a massive breakout. None of this is financial advice. This is just straight technical analysis. No BS, no hype. Okay, look at this falling wedge, guys. Falling wedges break to the upside, break out to the upside 68% of the time. The measured move on the breakout is back to the top of the wedge. Okay, that means from the breakout point back up to here, right at the support zone, we'd be looking at a massive move of over 50%. Okay, let me show you another falling wedge over here and how it did exactly the same thing. Falling wedge, breakout is back to the top of the wedge. Boom, right here, baby, right here. Okay, that's what we're seeing happening right now over here. And it's even a bigger, it's even a larger falling wedge. Okay, so I expect to see this break to the upside potentially within the next, we could see it come back down to the bottom of the pattern. We could see that. However, my indicators on the higher time frames are showing me divergences. Let's get rid of some of these lines so I can show you exactly what I'm talking about. If you don't know what divergence is, it's when a price is moving in the opposite direction of an oscillator or indicator. In this case, right here, from this point to this point, we have a lower low. However, on our oscillators or indicators, we have a bit of a higher high there, and we have a higher high here. All right. Now, the higher time frames always have more probability to it, more, it's just more solid than, say, like the 1 minute or, even the 15 minute in some cases. On the 1 hour, we can see that we have a bit of the same thing going on with on a smaller time frame. Okay. And so, yeah, guys, looks like we're about to break to the upside. I mean, between the divergence, between the pattern trading, and I'll show you how powerful pattern trading can be. Let's take a look at this massive head and shoulder formation that formed as we reached the previous high, previous all-time high. If you look at the new updated, not counting the historical data of the Terra Luna before the crash. So if we look here, we can see a massive head and shoulder. Matter of fact, let me see, get that out of there. Okay, there we go. Okay, you got your left shoulder, head. Where are we at there? Boom, boom, like that. So a massive head and shoulder pattern, which is very well known for to signal a reverse in price action. And the measured move is from the head to the neckline here at the breakout point. Now that's not to say that we are going to see the move down here to this, but obviously the head and shoulder did prove itself true once again. Even with a hype coin like this, and I don't say that lightly. We know that there is a lot of hype behind it, but Terra Luna Classic is a great layer one. It's very fast, very cheap, and the ecosystem was very robust before the depegging of UST. But that's what I'm seeing right now, guys. I'm seeing this falling wedge. I'm seeing a very, very solid area of support here. We did break through several support lines falling down, but we do have a very nice area of support here. And if we pull a fib from this move to the top, let's see, actually it would be, let's see, out of curiosity, what our fib would be in this region. So we did come below the 618 there. But yeah, guys, I mean, so far we're holding that one of the last few areas of support. Now, if we did come down and break this area of support, we would, still have this one here, obviously. And if we broke through that, then yeah, we could see that measured move come down from that head and shoulder pattern target. So it's something to think about. Not saying it will, not saying prices come there. But if it does, I think we're going to see this move from the falling wedge pattern. We're going to see it move back up here, and then possibly from there you can see a correction back down. But I think with the burn coming up in just the next few days, I believe the volume is going to increase once again. The hype is going to build up, and once the tax is really implemented on and off chain, man, I really think that the whole world will realize the potential of this project. That no matter what the fundamentals are behind any asset, if you decrease the supply of the asset, by default the price will increase. It's common supply and demand. Um, it's just like a rare vehicle that if there's only one or two in the world, I mean, they're very, 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 it doesn't matter what it is. It's very expensive. It's very rare, very collectible. So as you reduce the supply of this asset, the price will go up regardless of, the volume, regardless of the market cap, regardless of the transaction speed or fee, regardless of what's on the ecosystem. But all those other things aforementioned will be byproducts of the increasing price and then the increased market cap. So yeah, guys, let's keep a close eye on this falling wedge. I believe highly probable we're going to see a nice breakout here within the next hour or so. It could happen any minute. The whales, they know their TA very well, technical analysis. Whales are not stupid. They have a lot of money to trade with, and they're not just going to throw it in there on a whim. And if the whales themselves don't have very good technical analysts and analysis skills, then they have plenty of money to pay people who do. And so if their analyst is telling them, hey, look, here's a falling wedge, it's going to break out, here's a great entry point, then just that by itself can push the price and to break up out of this pattern. And once it does, you'll have confirmation given to other traders who are looking for that confirmation to enter. So yeah, guys, let's keep an eye on it. And thanks for watching.